and then this is a 1/16 over a 1/4 inch, so we'll thickness it down to a 1/4 inch.
You should have told me to put a respirator on, sorry. So basically, after the routing was done on the headstock, we take the same kind of wood that the neck is made out of. In this case, it's mahogany, and we try and find a good grain match. That way, it's going the same way, and we have more of an opportunity to trick the eye. You know, when it's all said and done with finishing. So basically, I found this piece. It was a little oversized from the route, which was done with a 1/4 inch bit, and so I thicknessed it down, cut it to size, and then because the sled is on a curve, we basically traced the sled, which recreated that curve, and we traced that onto the workpiece, cut it, and so this is where you have the curve. You finesse that curve down, and then, you know, once it's thickness and everything, it fits into the slots, so you glue it in place, and you know, shape it from there.
We're trying to get all the shinies away. So the shinies are the low spots. So we're sanding down to the shinies. That is the goal. And then you make it flat. Because after this, we'll buff it out. Buff it out. You know, we try to shoot it so it lays as flat as possible, but with the weather and other inclement factors, there is always a little bit of variance in the spray, and so when you see the bumpiness, it looks like dimples, that's called orange peel, and so basically trying to get rid of that, and the flatness creates the mirror, so like this here, this is part of the poly finish, and it's like kind of weird looking ripply a little bit, but that's out of the factory. The neck here is a better example of like a smooth mirror finish, and so that's what we're trying to achieve. So hopefully the goal is this bulb doesn't have any writing on it, but a lot of times if you get a really nice mirror gloss finish, you'll be able to read clear as day, like Sylvania or whatever it says on the bulb. And so that's what you're trying to achieve. Wow. And it gets shiny. Alright. So that was coarse buff, this is medium buff. Too big. Just right. So we started with a guitar with no headstock. We ended with finished guitar, strung up to pitch, headstock reinforced. You'll be able to see that it has been repaired for the rest of its life, but it's got a lot of life left now.